Well, dinagdagan ng China sa 2023 edition ng mapa nila another dash to the west of Taiwan. So makita mo doon yung 10th dash. So ngayon, 10 dash line na naman. No? Originally, yung unang lumabas ito in 1948, 11 dashes yan. Yung sometime in 1950, 51, karoon ng agreement ang China, Communist China and the North Vietnamese at the time sa Gulf of Tonkin na demarcate nila yung maritime zone nila sa Gulf of Tonkin. So tinanggal yung dalawang dashes. From 11, naging 9. For a long time, 9 yan. Ngayon, binago ng China, ginawang 10. After the Arbitral Award came out, kasi sabi ng Arbitral Award, yung 9 dash line na yan, walang base yan. No historical basis, no legal basis to claim maritime zones. Maritime zones, to claim exclusive economic zone, extended continental shelf, but the tribunal did not rule on the sovereignty issue. Sovereignty means kung sinong may-ari ng mga isla, yung above water high tide na mga geologic features. Ang award ng Arbitral Tribunal, yung exclusive economic zone lang beyond the territorial sea. So sabi ng Arbitral Tribunal, the 9 dash line cannot serve as basis to claim any resources beyond the territorial sea in the South China Sea. So there is no historical basis for China to claim.